Welcome back, everyone. This is Shabeen, and today we are talking about one of the biggest questions in the crypto world. Could Ethereum really reach $20,000 and completely change the future of finance? It may sound unbelievable at first, but if you stay with me until the end of this video, you'll understand why millions of investors, developers, institutions, and financial experts are paying close attention to Ethereum. Over the last few years, Ethereum has evolved from being just another cryptocurrency into one of the world's largest blockchain ecosystems. Every day, thousands of developers build new applications on Ethereum, billions of dollars move across its network, and some of the biggest companies in the world continue exploring its technology. But what makes Ethereum so special, and why are analysts discussing a possible path toward a $20,000 price target? In today's video, we're going to break everything down in simple English so that even if you're completely new to crypto, you'll understand exactly what's happening. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest crypto updates. Your support helps this channel grow, and it motivates me, Shabeen, to keep bringing you high-quality crypto content every single week. Now let's start with the basics. Many people think Ethereum is just another digital coin like Bitcoin, but that's only a small part of the story. Bitcoin was mainly created as digital money and a store of value, while Ethereum was designed to become an entire decentralized computer that anyone in the world can use. Instead of simply sending money from one person to another, Ethereum allows developers to build smart contracts, decentralized applications, NFT marketplaces, blockchain games, decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, tokenized real estate, and much more. Imagine a financial system where you don't need a traditional bank to send money, borrow funds, earn interest, or invest. Instead, computer code automatically handles everything securely on the blockchain. That's exactly what Ethereum is trying to achieve. This vision has attracted thousands of companies, millions of users, and some of the smartest software developers on the planet. One of the biggest reasons investors believe Ethereum could continue growing is because of its real-world utility. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that exist only for speculation, Ethereum powers an entire digital economy. Every transaction, every smart contract, every decentralized application, and every token created on Ethereum requires users to pay network fees using ETH. As more businesses, developers, and users join the network, demand for ETH naturally increases. Basic economics tells us that when demand keeps rising while supply becomes more limited, prices often move higher over time. This is one of the biggest reasons many long-term investors remain optimistic about Ethereum's future. Another important factor is Ethereum's move to proof of stake. This major upgrade dramatically reduced the network's energy consumption while making Ethereum much more environmentally friendly. Instead of relying on expensive mining equipment, users can now stake their ETH to help secure the network and earn rewards. This has encouraged many long-term investors to lock up their coins instead of selling them immediately. When more ETH is staked, the amount of Ethereum available on exchanges decreases. If demand continues increasing while the available supply becomes smaller, it creates conditions that could support higher prices over the long run. Although no one can predict the future with certainty, this supply and demand dynamic is one reason why some analysts have suggested ambitious long-term price targets. Institutional adoption is another major story. A few years ago, most large financial companies ignored cryptocurrencies completely. Today, many investment firms, banks, fintech companies, and asset managers are researching blockchain technology and exploring digital assets. Some institutions are interested in tokenizing traditional assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate using Ethereum's blockchain. Imagine buying a small fraction of a luxury building or an expensive piece of art with just a few clicks from anywhere in the world. This concept, known as tokenization, has the potential to transform global finance by making investments more accessible, efficient, and transparent. If Ethereum becomes the leading infrastructure for this financial revolution, its long-term value could grow significantly. The decentralized finance ecosystem, commonly known as DeFi, is another reason Ethereum continues attracting attention. DeFi allows users to lend, borrow, trade, earn rewards, and manage digital assets without relying on traditional financial institutions. Instead of waiting days for bank transfers or dealing with complex paperwork, transactions can happen almost instantly on the blockchain. This innovation has already moved billions of dollars through decentralized protocols, and many experts believe this is only the beginning. As blockchain technology matures and regulations become clearer, more people could begin using decentralized financial services in their everyday lives. If that happens, Ethereum would likely remain at the center of this growing ecosystem because so many applications are already built on its network. Of course, reaching $20,000 is far from guaranteed. The cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile, regulations can change, competition from other blockchain networks continues growing, and global economic conditions always influence investor behavior. Anyone investing in crypto should understand the risks and never invest money they cannot afford to lose. Successful investing requires patience, research, and a long-term mindset rather than chasing quick profits. That's why it's important to make informed decisions instead of following social media hype. Here on this channel, my goal is to help you understand both the opportunities and the risks so you can think critically before making any financial decision. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It truly means a lot to me, Shabeen. If you're enjoying this content and want more easy-to-understand crypto videos, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. In the next part of this video, we'll explore why Ethereum's future could be influenced by artificial intelligence, global payments, stablecoins, ETFs, and institutional investment, and whether these developments could realistically push ETH toward the historic $20,000 milestone.